Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you quickly how to make your first $500 per day using pay-per-call and Google Ads. So we're gonna promote this offer. You see right here, it is rehab, which is a rehabilitation program for people addicted to some drugs or some problem. So you will get paid $52 for every target call that you generate. Let me show you what is a target call for the offer. So the target call will be considered as people substance abuse, behavioral health, people who have mental health, co-occurring disorders. Those are people seeking inpatient treatment. So these are people that are qualified for this offer. So what are we going to do? We're going to go to Google Ads to create an ad for this. So before I go for this, let me see if there is a search volume for this keyword, which is rehab. So if I go to Google right now, just to make sure that I will promote something that people are searching in this moment. So let's say rehab to see what's going to come up. And I have an extension from Keyword Everywhere that's going to give me an estimate about how many times people search for this particular keyword rehab. So to see if I can promote this, if there are people looking for this particular product or offers, because I don't want to promote something that I will not making money. So this is why you can see this offer. You see right here, it has over 200,000 search per month, and the pay-per-click, the highest pay-per-click for this particular keyword is $8.49, and the competition is very low. It's less than 1, so that is a good sign for me. So I can promote this. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go to that's the offer that I'm gonna promote. So guys, just to make sure that everything here is legit, so far I have $1,345 here. Let me just refresh for you guys to see it's still intact, and that is something that everyone can do. And if you keep watching, I will show you how to use Google Ads to generate this type of money or this type of offers. This is easy. Anyone can do this. Anyone who follow along with me step by step will be able to generate this amount. So easy. So one thing you will have to do to promote this, you will need to click where it says create campaign. So when you click on create campaign, you will be able to create campaign related to the offer. So because I already have the offer, so I'm going to show you how this works. So when I click on create campaign, it's going to send me to the next page where I will submit my materials to convince the advertiser that I'm able to promote this and that I will bring them sales. So the name for the campaign to get approved will be rehab. It's like the same thing. I'm going to just copy this. So don't go anywhere. I'm going to show you on Google Ads how to promote them. So I'm going to generate calls for them. So the type of traffic they need is SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. So I will have to promote this using SEO method. So one thing I will have to do, it's like create a blog post for these things. But at the same time, you can create some ads on Google just to rank on the first page, and after bring some SEO for this offer. Because they say SEO will not really promote this using Google Ads. We'll just promote the page so we can rank on the first page of Google. So let's go to Google Ads and show you how we're going to do this. So on Google Ads, the very first thing you will need to do, you will need to have a conversion set up on Google Ads. So you will have to set up conversion on Google Ads. So when you promote this, Google will recognize the conversion that you have set up for this offer. And anytime you get a conversion, Google will just count this as a conversion for you. Keep watching. Let me show you how. As I said, before I show you how to set up the conversion, I take this offer as an example. Okay, guys, because this offer asks you to promote using the SEO method. So it's gonna be organic traffic, not paid traffic. But just to show you how to do this in Google, keep watching. I'm gonna show you very quickly how I set up everything and how I set up conversion. So if I go back here, so when you have to promote on Google like pay-per-call offers, you're gonna go to lead to start promoting. But before you do this, one thing you have to do before you even promote any pay-per-call offer, you have to set up conversion. Why you do this? Let me show you. You're gonna go to tools. When you go to tools, you're gonna go to where it says measurement, and measurement, you're gonna go to conversion. This is where you're gonna set up your conversion. So if you wanna know in depth how to set up conversion, I have a one-on-one coaching for that, where I help you set up your conversion so you can have a lot of calls for your pay-per-call journey. So now let me show you. You see, those are pay-per-call conversion that I set up. So you see here, you will have to set up a custom goals when you will set up your conversion. So I already did it for one of the offer that I'm promoting, which is plumbing service. So you can do this for any other offer that you're promoting. So let's go back to the ad and show you quickly how to set up the ads for the offer. So one thing you will have to do is just click on create ad. You go to new campaign. When you go to campaign, you're gonna select leads. In the leads section, you see I already have this phone calls conversion. So you can add goals, create a new goals. When you click on add goals, I already have one goals right here. So I can use this one because this is where, when you set up the conversion, this is where you will set up the goal. So if you want to know properly how to do this, you will need to take a coaching from people who know how to do it. I have a coaching for that. You can hit me on Skype and I will show you how to do this. So let's just add this one. And let's say let's just remove this. Okay, remove this one and continue with this one, this goal, and click continue. When I click on continue, I'm gonna go to search because I need people on Google search to find me. And my how to reach my goal will be by phone calls. This is where they're gonna ask me for a phone number. So the phone number that the offer give me will be this phone number. The offer give me to promote, so I'm gonna use it. Okay, when I have to do it the same way I see. They give me a pattern that I have to follow. That is the pattern. I have to follow the pattern the way they showed me. So I will just follow the pattern and just space and put the phone number the way they told me to do. And that's gonna be the phone number that I have for the offer. So that will be the phone number. When people click, they're gonna find the offer. So let me show you how this thing works. So here gonna be the name of my campaign. It's gonna be rehab campaign. So when I finish with this, and I'm gonna go to continue. And the continue, this is where you're gonna set up your ads, and you're gonna come here to find. So I'm gonna start new. This is a new offer that I'm promoting. So I'm gonna start new. So you can see now for the bidding, when you are in the bidding, you're not gonna take clicks because you already set up a conversion that I showed you how to do this. If you want to more, yes, when you are in the targeting, where you target your location. So here, when you are here, one thing you're gonna do, don't choose the first one because Google will always recommend you to choose the very first one. The first one say presence or interest. People in regularly in or with shown interest in your targeted locations. That means someone may go online and search for United States or something related to the location. Your ad will be shown to this person. So you don't want your ad to be shown to someone that don't have any interest for this. So this is why you have to choose people present. You put it right here. People present in or regularly in your targeted location. That means these people are people who are in United States or who live or reside in United States. So I'm going to choose this one. And here, I'm going to let it like this. For the language, it's already selected English. So we're going to let it like this. And for the segment, this is one of the fun and interested part. This is where you're gonna select the segment you want for your art, because you don't need everyone. You need only people very interested about what you have to promote or to offer. So here, that is the select audience segment to add your campaign. So here will be all the segment already pre-built or created by Google for you. So let's say I type rehabilitation. If there is a segment already existed, this segment means people that Google see their behavior in the past would type this type of keyword, who search thing related to this keyword. This is why Google creates some segment for you inside of Google Ads, so you don't have to look for people related to this type of offer. So Google will just show you if they already have some pre-built segment for you who are about this type of offer. They're gonna select it for you. So this is why I try to see if Google already have them. If Google doesn't have them, you will just have to create a new one. Go to Audience Manager and create audience yourself. You create an audience related to the offer, or you can browse to see what is already available for you. You can just choose by the demographic, choose by the interest or affinity by the market. So these are the method that you're going to use, and you're going to choose targeting. That means you just need people exactly interested or related to the offer that you want to promote. This is what Google needs. So when you do this, Google will target only people in this category, people who fell in this category, who show some interest for this category. So in the search, as I said, for rehabilitation, there is nothing related to rehabilitation. Let's just say rehab to see if I just put it like this, if I'm going to find something. So people who are addicted to drugs or things like that. If you don't find any of these, you can skip the step, which is the audience, and you go to more settings. And the more settings, what you will have to do, if you want your ad to be displayed all day, you're gonna lose money. You're gonna have to go back to the offer. One thing you will have to do when you go to the offer, you just go to the offer to see what they specify as time to run the offer. Let me just go back to see if I can see some criteria. So the time they want the offer to be run, because I don't think they will want it. You see, they already say the offer can be from 9 a.m. up to 8 p.m. Time zone, Eastern time. So you will have to set up your ad the same way. For the time they ask, it's gonna be 9 a.m. in the morning. You just put 9, and you just put here 20, which is 8. Okay, 9 a.m. Sorry. Okay. And here you're gonna put 20. So guys, that is the ID. If you want me to show you in depth how to do this in Google Ads, comment down below. I will not finish this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.